Okay, so another lesson for grade 8 mathematics about factoring, so difference of two squares. So ang formula natin para sa difference of two squares ay, so we have x squared minus y squared equal yan sa x plus y times x minus y. Okay, so ito yung formula na gagamitin natin pagpa-factor ng difference of two squares. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, we have x squared minus 25. So yung first step natin, kailangan i-express natin yung dalawang terms natin as perfect square. Okay? So itong x squared, okay na yan, yung variable. Itong 25, kailangan i-express natin siya as square. Okay, so ang 25, equal yan sa 5 times 5 or 5 square. So we have, so equal na ito sa x squared minus 25, i-express natin as 5 square. Then, i-apply na natin yung formula natin. So, equal na to ngayon sa sum and product. Product of the sum and difference. Yung x squared, takpan lang nyo lang yung square. So, kopyahin natin dito, dalawang x. And then, itong 5 square. So, we have positive 5 and then negative 5. Okay? So, yun na yung factor niya. So, we have x plus 5 and times x minus 5. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Kaya kailangan kabisado nyo yung mga perfect square. Kahit mga 1 to 20. So, kabisado nyo yung mga perfect squares para madalian kayo sa topic na ito. Okay, so next we have 4y squared minus 9. So, ang 4, perfect square ang 4, ganun din ang 9. Okay? So, isulat natin muna natin itong 4y squared at 9 as perfect square. So, we have ang 4 equal yan sa 2. 2 times 2. Tapos yung y square, so pwede natin isulat itong 4y square as 2y and then square. And then minus, yung 9 ay equal sa 3 squared. So we have 3 squared. Then apply now the formula. So anong formula ng difference of two squares? Kopyahin lang natin itong 2y. 2y, dalawang 2y yan. And then minus 3 squared. So yung base natin 3. So isang positive. And then isang negative. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Ito na yung answer natin. So, take note, ang formula natin ay para lang sa difference. Difference of two squares. Kapag naging positive yung gitna, not factorable yon. Okay? So, ulitin natin, minus lang dapat. Okay, so another example, number 3, d squared minus 36. So, we have equal ito sa, kopyahin lang natin itong d squared, minus ang 36 ay equal sa 6 times 6. So, that's equal to 6 square. So, therefore, equal na ito sa product of the sum and difference. So, first term natin, parehas D. Second term natin ay isang positive 6 and then isang negative 6. This is the final answer. So, another example. So, we have 16m squared minus 81n squared. Okay, so perfect square ang 16, perfect square din ang 81. Ang 16 ay equal sa 4 times 4. So, pwedeng isulat ito as 4m, yan, quantity square, minus ang 81, that is 9 times 9. So, we have, lagyan natin ng parenthesis, 9, and then we have n squared. So, therefore, equal na ito sa product of the sum and difference. Itong 4m, kopyahin lang natin yung 4m, and then itong 9n, isang positive, and then isang negative. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Medyo sumikip dito. Ayan, so we have 4m plus 9n times 4m minus 9n. So, number 5, we have 3b squared minus 75. Paano naman kapag ganitong yung variable, yung number natin, yung numerical coefficient, ay hindi perfect square? 3 is not a perfect square. Ganun din yung 75. Parehas hindi perfect square yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi pa natin pwedeng gamitin dito yung factoring na difference of two squares. I-apply muna natin yung nauna nating lesson. May common kasi dito sa 3 tsaka 75. Parehas yan, divisible by 3. So, mag-common monomial muna tayo. 3b squared minus 75 Etong 75, pwede nating isulat yan as, kopyahin ko muna itong 3b squared. Ang 75, pwedeng isulat ito as 3 times 25. Okay? 3 times 25, that is 75. I-factor out muna natin yung common, parehas silang merong 3. So mag-common monomial muna tayo, factor out natin yung 3. So may matitira ng b squared minus 25. Ngayon, etong b squared minus 25, perfect square na parehas. B squared and then 25. Pwedeng isulat ito as 5 square. Okay? So therefore, ang final answer na natin dito ay 3. And then, we have b times b, and then 25 is 5 times 5. So therefore, we have positive 5 and then negative 5. So ito na yung tamang sagot natin, 3 times b plus 5 times b minus 5. Okay, so itry nyo naman itong number 6, 2x squared minus 162. I-apply nyo lang ulit dyan yung number 5. Okay, comment your answer.